The laser, one of the four major inventions of the 20th century. It is changing the world with an invisible force and leading the Herolaser's future in an extreme form. Taking root in China and focusing on the whole world, Herolaser has been committed to building itself into the world's leading enterprise for laser intelligent manufacturing, under the product concept of simple, practical, and intelligent, and business philosophy of offer more suitable solution for clients. A beam of light emanating from Shenzhen, China, brightens the whole world. Following the footprint since 2005, Herolaser's capacity on business, marketing, and production continued to expand. Years of development and innovation made it a rising star in the laser industry. Till now, Herolaser has established a modern industrial production base of more than 100,000 square meters, and a core R&D team with more than 300 high-tech talents. It has been granted as National High-Tech Intelligence Enterprise, integrating R&D, production, and sales of laser intelligent equipment and automation system. From Herolaser's high-end manufacturing workshop, Herolaser's staff performs their duties well. Every process of production, installation, and commission are well done as per standard. In order to ensure product standardization and make sure that each production process is efficient and precise, after a series of rigorous manufacturing processes, Herolaser has produced various self-developed and industry-leading laser application systems, which are powerful enough to lead the continuous innovation of the industry and create more value for customers. Herolaser believes one keeps pursuing excellence will finally lead him to be the best. It pursues the perfection, from machine design to installation and production, from material selection to techniques grinding, from product sales to the after-sales service, from installation training to technical guidance. Gradually, all these details formed a unique manufacturing advantage to win customers' trust and recognition. Improve and develop with meticulous craftsmanship. Herolaser never forgets its original intention and forges ahead. Relying on a strong R&D team, it continues to explore and study cutting-edge laser technologies and devotes itself to series products of laser welding, laser cleaning, laser cutting, welding seam detection, and welding seam real-time tracking. Herolaser has obtained more than 300 related patents and over 30 invention patents, making its technologies to be the world's leading level. Due to core advantages such as excellent quality, strong technology, and durable performance, the company's laser equipment, automated production lines, intelligent detection system, and other products are widely used in aerospace, ships, rails, automobiles, new energy, chip semiconductors, hardware appliances, medical devices, and other manufacturing fields. People-oriented and customer foremost, the company staffs always adhere to the service concept of response fast and acts fast, and implement the dynamic management of one file to one customer. With 24/7 hours of service response, both high-efficient and energy-saving technical solutions and all-round laser technology solutions can be guaranteed. Herolaser has been the long-term trustworthy partner for hundreds of internationally renowned companies around the world. Brave the wind and waves and endeavor to innovate on the road of light pursuit. Herolaser keeps the original heart and undertakes the mission. The company unswervingly takes the road of win-win coexistence, independent innovation, and high-quality development, to promote the transformation and upgrading of the manufacturing industry in a higher level.